What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Lake Skilled Outdoor Adventures here today. We're out here on this beautiful pond fishing, trying to catch some bass. Got the old trolling motor hooked up and all the rods, and hopefully catch a big one. What you think, Owen?
Heck yeah, buddy.
We're gonna go catch some big fish here, son.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go ahead and throw the GoPro on and get to casting. Tank, son. Oh yeah. First fish of the day is a good one too.
Not a good one.
Huh? Oh, that's a good one, son. Show him the fish. Oh yeah. Oh goody. Hot goody doggity. Off that bed right there. What you throwing? Tell him what you throwing.
Oh, Bourbon Blaze, baby brush hog.
Oh yeah.
Get it done, man.
Yes sir. Throwing me old chatterbait. Flipping some more brush piles right now.
First,
Caught me a big old beaver probably.
big old beaver.
Or a big old snapping turtle.
Big old.
Nice little log, I can see it. Oh, it came off. Oh, a fish grabbed it.
Oh, that's a good one.
I saw the fish grab it midair.
We almost doubled up, bro. Wait, hold on, don't throw him back.
My track was set way too loose. Big old blue gee. Blue gee. Yes, sir. Huh?
Look at this.
Yank him. Oh, dink.
I caught it thing, man. I knew.
Oh, that was a bigger fish.
Chill.
A nice one just chased mine off that bed.
Alright, buddy.
I see him too. I'm gonna flip on him. What was that?
I guess we're keeping this one. Since he wanted to be difficult.
That's a nicer fish too.
I'm gonna put him upside down.
That was almost bad.
That's always nice.
It just smells like fish over here. Oh, tank boy Gigi.
Oh my god.
What?
Might be a good one.
He spit it.
Of course, when I mess around with it. There goes the freaking blue gigi. Oh, here comes the blue gigi. I'll get on it.
Oh god.
Holy.
Oh, that's a little dink.
Oh, he's nice.
There's a baby or two. Oh god. You want me to whip him?
Yeah.
Cause that don't look like you're gonna be able to boat flip him. Bring him here, bring him here. I'm not gonna mess him. He's hooked good.
Yeah. Heck yeah.
What you think about that?
You see him do that?
Hold him up for the camera. Yes, sir. Oh, he's not even. He's barely two. Still good in though.
Yeah.
Biggest of the day. Let's get back to fishing.
Hey, you caught him with a stick?
Oh yeah. I seen him hit it. It's on now, ain't it?
Yeah.
Another good one.
God.
What, dink?
Yeah. You want to set those with those big.
Tank catcher.
Definitely not the smallest of the day.
See a good release on him, son.
You want me to make a splash? God, is this freaking thing gonna come on hook? He's looking good.
My boy said, that's a tank, son. I said, that ain't no tank.
What up? So you want to see a good release?
Oh, yeah, so. Dump him in the water. Are you only all of them?
They just wanted to sit there. I'm like, go on somewhere.
That boy about to. Oh my goodness.
What?
I hate when this crap happens.
Well, you got you all down. What you got going on over there, Lick Skill?
A mess. A mess on a mess, and oh my gosh. This just made it 10 times worse.
Cut the cameras.
What's up, y'all? Should we do it? I think we should do it. Boing. Boing. Boing.
Stop.
Fish slapped.
Holy crap. I got a freaking tank on you.
Huh?
I got a freaking tank. Look at that thing.
Bring him to the back. Whatever side he goes. Whatever side he goes on. Get him off the boat.
He's barely up. First, yeah. He's not even that big, bro.
Come here, boy.
He's slipperier than a darn. No.
I was washing him off. He had crap all over him.
Let's say 2.
About the same size as the other one.
Right at 2.
Yeah, that's what I said. 2 on the dot again?
That's,
That says 115.
yeah, that's right at 2. Because I have the ounce scale, not
Yeah.
the one that gets to 100.
Put him in the water.
A water deep, boy.
They're gonna do a backflip.
Wait, how do you do it again?
Laying like that.
Oh, he's just a chill guy. He wanted to put a show on for us. Figure out if my freaking reel is tight.
Oh.
What? Is that a dink or a dink?
What do you think?
Snap you?
Snap me off clean.
Snap you clean off?
I seen him. It's probably 4.
Yeah. Last fish I caught, I didn't even have to set the hook. He set it for me.
Oh,
Oh Lord, set it. You're not lucky to know this way, bro. Set. Set. Oh. Oh. He looked decent at first.
skitters are bad, son.
Get away from me.
Ooh, ooh.
Sit.
Look at it, look at it. Oh, he's still on there. That might be why, because my weight's coming up.
Huh?
I don't think he's a big one. Right in the bottom lip.
Look at this. You see that? I hate when I was touching the bottom lip.
I think he's right there.
Oh, dang.
Something like that. Another bottom lip. Do a backflip for me. Oh.
Dude, as soon as it hit the water. As soon as it hit the water.
I seen the dink.
There was a dink.
Something just blew up.
That was nice.
What?
That, both our cats. Oh, you got a tank on it. Oh yeah.
Just break the stick. Oh my. Oh my.
Barely hooked in. That thing looked a whole lot bigger.
I know, when it first jumped out the water, that was a tank. Oh yeah, son.
I'm about to snap a rod.
Then caught another good one right here. Right off this little bank, as you can see. Go ahead and get a release on. The thing is huge. Got a beaver in the pond. That is a massive beaver too. God almighty. If you're gonna mess with my bait, eat it. Don't just mess with it.
Mess with it, girl. Mess with it. Oh my god. Dude, you saw that thing?
I didn't see it.
That was a freaking giant.
Alright, y'all, that's gonna be about it for today as we roll up here to the truck. And we had a great day out here on the water, and hopefully a whole lot more days of great fishing to come this summer. And if you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe as always, and share to some of your buddies. But we caught probably about 20 fish today and 3 2-pounders, so it was a great day out on the water. I will see y'all in the next one. Lake Skillet Outdoor Avengers is out.